Greetings of peace, everyone. Welcome to my video blog. My name is Andy. I work as a software engineer. I consider myself a full stack or DevOps engineer. I work with a lot of projects that somewhat complex, usually involve, several components, right? Which kind of pose a big challenge uh, to work on this technology, right? To work on this component stacks, right? Because you have to gain some expertise in each of the component stack. So, and sometimes you don't have much time to learn these stacks, right? When a project comes to you, so this kind of forces you to continue learning, continue looking at the new technology landscape, so that because it keeps changing, right? Basically, you have to keep up with it. Just a word of wisdom. I'm a Muslim, and my Prophet said that, peace be upon him, said that after we die, all our good deeds will come to an end, except three things, which is the ongoing charity, the sadaqah jariyah, right, or the a beneficial knowledge, and righteous children that prays for you, right? So I'm making this video series so that I basically hit that second point, beneficial knowledge, right? So sharing this knowledge, whatever I learn from this exercise, I think mainly just to benefit myself while I'm still in this world, and then maybe it benefits others as well. Uh, so basically, in today's video, we'll introduce like a couple projects that I did a few years back. Basically, I was learning an application stack called MERN. MERN, okay. And then basically, it's if you just Google this, you basically what is MERN, right? So it's basically this is the idea. At the time, I have MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js. So the funny thing is basically I started with the Express and Node.js first, right? So basically the ENN is the one I started with. So basically I have another repo. Let me just duplicate this. And it's called Node.js Express. Okay. Yeah, this one. This was basically the original exercise that I kind of, want to learn. So I have a very extensive documentation on this, right? But the other one is after I've done that one, and I stumbled into this video, uh, React.js Crash Course by Traversing Media. Basically, from there, I basically adopted that application that's made in that video into this React application right here, right? Oops, what happened? Okay, so this is going to be the front end, and this is going to be the back end, and the database and that kind of stuff. So let's in today's video, we're going to take a look at the solution architecture to kick this series off, right? So this architecture is okay. I have it just a minute ago. All right, so this is the architecture layout. So we have a backend database with MongoDB. It has two databases, users and employees. We have like a Node.js Express API or services, security service, employee API, and reference service. I think later I'm gonna make this terminology more generic. And then I have a client here. The client is that React exercise app, employee app. So the client will basically sign in to the security service, and then calling the security service. Security service will validate the users and then issue JWT token if it's valid, right? With all permission, that kind of stuff. And then the client then interact with the employee API for to read, write into the employee's database. And any sometimes the employee have like common references, like common data, right? Like catalog, that kind of stuff that basically maybe live outside of your system. So sometimes that thing is down, or maybe a long distance call that's slow, that kind of stuff. So the Redis will basically act as like a caching mechanism so that you can have at least a copy of it from the previous call, that kind of stuff. So yeah, so basically this is what I want to cover for today's video. Uh, Let me know if you have any question. And basically, I'm wondering if the ChatGPT can come up with this kind of a solution architecture. If you do, please comment below. Uh, and maybe this, if it is, maybe it's a good idea for me for the uh, like another video I can do in the future. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Greetings.